Good morning everyone. My name is Bikash De and I am a Tripoli student at Tripoli International University. I am currently in my 6th semester with a average CGPA. I am passionate about technology, leadership, innovation and continuous learning. My goal is to build a career where I can combine technical skill, creativity and teamwork to create meaningful impact. From the beginning of my university journey, I have focused not only on academic learning but also on developing practical skill, communication abilities, and leadership experience. In terms of technical skill, I work with robotics. I also have knowledge in artificial intelligence, machine learning. Alongside technical work, I am skilled in design tools like Canva and Photoshop, as well as Microsoft Office application including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. One thing that defined me in my willingness to learn and adapt. I enjoy exploring new technologies and solving problems, though practical thinking and collaboration. During my university life, I have actively participated in different project program, robotics competition, workshop, and leadership activities. In the future, I want to become a skilled robotic engineer and data-driven problem solver who can contribute to both the technology industry and the community. Thank you to taking the time to watch my video resume. I truly appreciate the opportunity and I look forward to connecting and contributing professionally in the future. Have a great day.